Good morning. We're doing a little morning in my life with you guys today, and I'm so excited to do one of these. I haven't filmed one of these in so long, and it feels like forever anyways. And I love my mornings, so we're just gonna get busy and get things done. I got ready, got my hair all done. I decided to do like a heatless waves, or like braids. I slept with braids last night, and then just add some curls, and I am loving it, you guys. Like, it just adds a little bit more, I guess, when you add the few curls. But yeah, it looks so good. And also when I braid my hair, the ends of it, like right here, they're so straight because my hair is in layers and I can't braid them, so I just curled them, and it makes it look 10 times better. So I will be doing that literally every single day from now on, because I sleep in heatless, either waves, curls, the twist, braids, something every single night. So yeah, I will be adding curls from now on. But we need to make the bed and also make some coffee, because I am feeling lots of coffee this morning. So let's get started and tackle this morning. Okay, we are in the closet now. We're gonna find something to wear today. I am feeling like I want to leave this white tank top on and just throw some type of cardigan or something on. And I also have these gray sweatpants. They're from Stars Above from Target, and I really like them. I love the color. They actually used to have like a shirt to match it, but I just never got that. I wish I would have, but yeah, I am going to put this on, and I'll probably just throw a cardigan on, because that is how I'm feeling today. This is the fit for today. Very cute, very cozy. I am feeling very non-productive today, so I needed to be comfy, but also I needed to get ready this morning to feel a little bit more put together. I haven't had this in so long, it feels like. I used to drink it all the time in high school, and now it brings back so many mornings and everything, like deja vu almost.